Hello guys, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Priscilla.
I am Renzi. Today we are making potato cheesecake. 3 potatoes, low-fat milk, mozzarella cheese,
Cornstarch, sugar, vegetable oil, and water.
First, wash all the potatoes.
Second, peel all the potatoes thoroughly.
Third, cut the potato into small pieces for easy mashing.
Prepare a pot filled with water and add the chopped potatoes.
Turn on the stove and wait until the potatoes are soft. Drain the potatoes. And crush the potato until soft.
Then add a little bit sugar, 6 spoons cornstarch, and 50 milliliter milk. And then stir well. Prepare the sliced mozzarella cheese. Take a little dough, flatten, and add a little cheese.
Then fry in hot oil. Flip it back. Press. Lift the pancake and trim.
Potato cheesecake is ready to be served.
And then the video cooking is over.
Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.